Hi, this is Jen from Scrap and Posh, and I am here with a weekly Plan With Me video in my Erin Condren Vertical. And this week I'm using the Forbidden Forest weekly kit from A Melancholy Moose, and it comes with full boxes, functional full boxes where you write, the border strips, half boxes and quarter boxes, the headers. We have some checklists and some deco. The day covers, which I've already put the little day dots in from. So I'm going to lay everything down and speed you up right now. Okay, so I wanted to show you before I started with the pen, because my scroll always doesn't look great, but we have the Uncommon Plans, the Print Petticoat Bandit, and the Hello Studio Co. little guys throughout. And I think that's all I used. This lesson sticker I actually made myself. And yeah, so everything else is from the collection. So now we're going to put the pen to the paper. Just going to review. I used my, I don't know if I like my gray pen better or my black pen. So I'll try the gray again and see how it comes out, except I have gray here, so maybe I will use my black. We'll try the Zig Writer this time. I mailed a couple Etsy orders and a giveaway that I did for a mini album. Cherie finally got her Christmas present that I mailed the first week of December, so that only took a month. I had some prep to do for a live video, and then we had an inventory a week, or at work the week before, and I found out that they had done it wrong, so I was frustrated that day. And I love this little, from Print Petticoat Bandit. I used a phone for an ASC live tutorial, and at the same time I had a demo start, so I didn't have any demo stickers, so I went ahead and used the little cleaning sticker. I had Chipotle that night, so I had a little treat kitty there from Uncommon Plans. And then I had a fan who had ordered a Book Nook templates to post her work, or send me her work. I haven't posted yet because I haven't asked for permission. We had to reschedule the dehumidifier, and I originally thought that Madison had gone to school this day, but she did not drive. She stayed home because the campus was not open yet. I uploaded a plan with me on Wednesday, and Tom had a doctor appointment, which resulted in a trip to CVS, and then I always watch the ASC live video on Thursdays. I had some frozen pizza. Madison worked a half day. I drove her home at lunch this day. I had a laser meeting at work. I did a live at 7 on Friday for my mini albums, and we ended up eating Domino's wings that night, which this is not one of my healthier weeks, obviously. We drove to Grandma's and had Chinese food for lunch. We went to go get Madison's fish, but for some reason the store was closed, and I still don't know why. I scrapbooked or crafted in the morning. I played Divinity with the kids that evening and posted a YouTube tutorial, and I can't remember which YouTube tutorial that was right now. I just put tutorial in my planner. So again, I crafted in the morning on Sunday, played Divinity with the kids, and then I had some stuff that I had to do, organizational chart. I did have Chipotle, I did some cleaning, and the kids make gourmet pizza that night. So this is my week for January 11th through the 17th, and I hope you enjoyed it. Really loving these Melancholy Moose kits, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.